Sending a bulk SMS or email is a great way to engage with old leads that you may have. And to do that in ACR, you are going to need to go into contacts. You're going to need to make sure you can establish a smart list. You can determine which list you may want to send to, or you may want to send to the whole entire list of people that you have. To do that, you are going to select the list of people that you have, and then you can go and hover over these little icons on the top here and allowing you to send an SMS or an email. This is the easiest way of doing so by sending SMS. You want to make sure your phone number is connected via Twilio, which is set up in the system. If it's not, then you need to make sure you contact the team to do so. I'm now able to select 4 records, send SMS, and this will allow me to, give me 1 second, bring up the little pop-up screen, ask me to proceed, and I can type in my message. Hi, we have a program running. Would you be interested? Okay. Now, there are several ways you can do it by sending it all at once, or you can send it in a future date, which can be a different time frame you may want to choose on a different day. You may want to send it in a drip mode, which allows you to batch quantity it into 10 at a time every minute, or 10 every 100 every hour, or whatever it may be. This just allows you to send the SMS at a volume that is not too overwhelming for the receiving end. What's really important to note is that once you do this, you're able to send an SMS, and then this will complete the action of the bulk action for sending SMS and email. With email, it's exactly the same process. I can select the list I have, and I can send it through an email like this. And you will see a very similar screen. You want to make sure you put your from name in here and put your email in here. Okay. Then you can type in your email subject and then go ahead and completing your normal email that you want to be sending from. There's another video you may want to watch when it comes to optimizing the delivery when it comes to bulk email and making sure you have the right email address being sent. But right now, this is just showing you how you can send a SMS and email in bulk to a list of people you may have. Another way of doing bulk email or bulk messaging is do it via a workflow. So the way you do that is that you want to make sure you go into automations. And here is where you have the option of being able to go into SMS broadcast or maybe like a monthly marketing. If I search up monthly marketing, we will see a monthly marketing workflow in here. So in here, reactivation workflow. In this workflow, we have got steps that has an SMS and also an email. As you can see in the workflow, you are going to have a lot more control over what and who to send it to. And in fact, what we have done here, we have a step in here to make sure that the DND, if it's switched on, they will not send that person an email or a SMS. Once you can do that, you'll see in this particular workflow, which is part of the ACR platform, you can have a wait step in here saying when you want to send an SMS. So I can put this on a Monday, and this will delay it to the Thursday. And you can set up these events window in this step in here. You can also see in email an offer, which can do exactly the same thing. I can write an email in here. If I don't have a template, I can just simply type in the text I want in this section here. Same thing can go into the SMS template that I can create and type in my message in this section here. One of the advantage of being able to use a workflow is that you can customize the following up actions that you may want to do after a bulk email or bulk SMS have been sent out. In this case, we have got a wait step in saying we want to see if whether or not the email has been opened. If not, we would like to actually send them the next day and another email or an SMS with a similar message or something a little bit different to follow them up. And this is one of the reasons why I personally prefer to use a workflow, because I can control the follow-up process when it comes to marketing. One main advantage of sending a bulk message or SMS through a workflow is that inside the settings, it allows you to be able to mark this conversation as being read. What that means is that you allow you to only see the conversation coming back in when they do reply to the SMS or email, and does not clog up your conversation view, because every single message that gets sent out in a bulk message will show up in your conversations, and this will become populated with all the different messages you'll be sending out. And in the case of sending out through automation, that will only apply if they reply to the message of the SMS or the email that you sent to them. That's one of the reasons why you do that in that process. But this is a video that's showing you how you can do the bulk action inside the contact view, which can be done by using these two actions up the top here.